Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create RAR and zip files on your Oukitel K13 Pro. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our RAR app, and we've shown you how to do that, how to download it in our other video. Now let's locate the files that we want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM and then camera. There's 3 pictures which I'm gonna pack into a RAR file. Now select each of the files that you want to pack by pressing on this switch right here. Click on the plus button when you're ready, and from here you should be able to pack your files. So you can change archiving options, choose the extension for this archive. I'm gonna pick RAR. You can change its name, you can set the password, go for advanced, and you will see more advanced settings, and in the options there will be more options. For the comments, you can leave anything about any description about this archive, and when you're done, click OK. And here our RAR file was just created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.